the top 5 best heavy-duty ladder recommendation. Recommendation number 1. DELXO Step Ladder Folding Step Stool 4-Step Ladder. This ladder comes fully assembled. For product quality and safety, this step ladder stool has ANSI ASCA 14.11 standard certification. DELXO's 4-step ladder features an enlarged non-slip pattern platform that measures 10H x 7.9L x 12W. The locking hole mechanism and rubber feet do not shift, allowing you to plant both feet securely in place while providing heel-to-toe foot support and preventing scratches on the floor. It folds up small enough to fit into small spaces. The lightweight aluminum construction folds up easily. Recommendation number 2. Best Choice Products 4-Step Portable Folding Ladder. A tall, 50.5-inch step ladder provides ample height for your household tasks while anti-slip feet with offset legs help you maintain balance. A solid steel frame with a rust-resistant coating uses a pair of bracing rods to evenly distribute your weight up to 330 pounds, perfect for outdoor chores. A lightweight, foldable design with a durable locking mechanism ensures easy setup and storage in your closet or garage after use. Recommendation number 3. Telescopic Ladder 12.5 Fort. The telescopic extension ladder and platforms are crafted from premium 6061 thick aluminum alloy. The surface of aluminum is oxidized, which can prolong the life of folding ladder. The plastic parts of ladder is reinforced with nylon fiber to improve load capacity that have a maximum load of 330/150. The telescopic ladder is approved by Safety Standard E931, suitable for various professional use. Due to the upgrading internal structure of collapsible ladders, each step falls slowly and smoothly when retracting. Recommendation number 4. LUIS Ladders Folding Ladder. This is a multi-use ladder for home and business use, which can be transformed into 7 different formations to fit a huge variety of different works. It is easy to reassemble by locks and hinge for extra safety, suitable to use in any place, and your work will be more easier with this ladder. Buy one ladder to meet all your needs: hanging some art, painting your house, cleaning the ceiling, replacing the light bulb, etc. Cleaning gutters and windows, taking off Christmas lights, cutting tree limbs, fixing the roof, etc. Recommendation number 5. Murphy Ladders ML7 Heavy-Duty Aluminum Ladder. Its 2-axis folding design is made for convenient transport and storage. Rated as the best space saver for work trailers, trucks, and home storage. Designed by a firefighter, this ladder is the most compact folding ladder on the market. It's the easiest ladder to use, carry, and store. Perfect for every and any home. Can fit anywhere a vacuum can. The Murphy ladder is different from any other ladder. With the quick-release knobs, you can instantly change from an extended ladder to a frame, and then back to easy storage size in seconds.